Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Obsidian interface. We'll walk through choosing, installing, and applying themes so your workspace looks and feels exactly the way you want, all without changing any of your notes or data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to browse themes, install new designs, switch between them, and create a more comfortable writing environment. Start by opening Obsidian. Once you're inside your vault, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Obsidian stores all of its customization options, including appearance, editor preferences, plugins, and more. Any changes you make here can be adjusted later, so feel free to experiment. Inside Settings, click on Appearance from the sidebar. This section controls how Obsidian looks, including themes, color schemes, fonts, and interface styling. If you've never customized Obsidian before, you'll likely be using the default theme. The default works well, but one of Obsidian's biggest strengths is how customizable it is. Scroll to the Themes section. Here, you'll see information about your currently active theme, along with options for managing and installing additional themes. Before making changes, it's a good idea to take note of your current theme so you can easily switch back if needed. You'll also notice an option to open the Themes folder. This folder stores any themes that have been downloaded to your computer. While most users install themes directly through Obsidian, knowing where this folder is can be useful if you ever want to manually back up your themes or move them between devices. Next, click Manage. This opens the Community Themes browser, where you'll find hundreds of themes created by Obsidian users and developers. These themes range from clean and minimal designs to highly customized layouts with unique colors, typography, and visual effects. At the top of the browser, use the search bar if you have a particular style in mind. For example, you can search for terms like minimal, dark, light, serif, high contrast, or any theme name you've heard about. Searching makes it much easier to narrow down the large collection of available themes. If you're not sure what you're looking for, simply browse through the list. Each theme includes preview images and descriptions that give you an idea of how your workspace will look. Pay attention to readability, spacing, and overall design. A theme that looks attractive is great, but a theme that's comfortable during long writing sessions is even better. Once you find a theme you like, click on it to view additional details. Take a moment to review the screenshots and description. Some themes are optimized for writers, while others focus on productivity, coding, or visual organization. Choosing the right theme depends on how you use Obsidian day to day. Once you've made your choice, click Install and Use. Obsidian will download the theme and immediately apply it to your workspace. You'll see the interface update in real time, allowing you to evaluate the new look instantly. Spend a few moments exploring your vault with the new theme. Open different notes, check headings, lists, code blocks, and links, and see how everything appears. Sometimes a theme looks great in previews, but feels different during actual use. Testing it with your own notes helps you determine whether it's the right fit. If you decide the theme isn't ideal, simply return to Manage and try another one. You can switch themes as often as you like, and you can even keep multiple themes installed for future use. Nothing about your notes, folders, or vault structure changes when switching themes, so there's no risk of losing content. You can also combine themes with other appearance settings such as font adjustments, interface scaling, and light or dark mode preferences. Small visual tweaks can make a surprisingly large difference in comfort and productivity, especially if you spend several hours each day working inside Obsidian. And that's it. You've learned how to customize your Obsidian interface by opening Settings, navigating to Appearance, exploring community themes, browsing or searching for styles, and installing a theme that matches your workflow. Take some time to experiment until you find a setup that feels comfortable, productive, and uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.